Dear Beanscap users, hello, and today I'm glad to give you an update regarding a trading bot. And we have been working on this for the last 2 weeks. A lot of small changes have been made, but there are also global changes, and in this video we would like to show them to you. So as you can see right away, we have reinvented a form of the bot setup. Now the lower price and upper price are more evident. Also the grid quantity, you can see the investment in the base currency and the quote currency. Also you can quickly change the amount of the investment. At the same time, we have added a stop loss, which is also more evident here. You can activate it with one click. And as you can see, there is some space here left, so this is meant for additional functionality and trailing that we would like to show you within the next 2 weeks. It's already in development and we see very good results with that, but already with the current bot changes without trailing, it already will significantly improve your bots. So yes, let's have a look closer. We start from choosing some exchange to show, so we choose Binance. The strategies, the last feature, we've seen that some strategies haven't been so optimized, so we have optimized them now. They should show more accurate results. And for example, let's choose some pair, BTC, for example. And you can see that we instantly show the grids before you starting the bot. As you probably seen, you could see the grids only after you started it, but now you can see it instantly, and you can see how fast its system shows that to you. Very nice, and it works flawlessly. Also, let me stop on this pair, for example, so we see the price range, and you can change the upper price limit here, and it will reflect here an upper price. So you can visually very precisely put all the numbers that you want based on chart, and it will reflect very fast here as well. And of course you see the grids for buy and sell orders, and this will also be changed here in the investment field. So for example, we'll put a little bit higher here, and you can see that it has changed now. Very nice. And of course you can change the investment amount, and it will also change here. Okay, let me put, for example, 25%. We'll put a stop loss here, and we'll quickly show -3%, so around that, and you can also update it here to save yourself in case the things go opposite direction. The backtest has been improved as well. It's much faster, much more accurate, and there will be more work done to give you much better results. And yeah, you can start it with just one click as usual, so it takes 2 clicks to start a bot.